When I was 12 years old, I was feeling a chronic pain in my hip, my right hip. I thought that it was just exercising because I did PE, physical education at that time. And then after that, it lingered and I felt really, really bad. And I started limping and walking and in pain and all of that. The doctors did say that when I was 20, I could do a hip surgery, but at that time, they said it was a 50-50 chance if I'll be able to walk or not. Also, they also opted for a pin that will pin my hip, and after a couple years, they would have to break my hip again and like put it in to set it because I'll be growing. So I didn't have like a clear idea if I could be fixed or not. So I just took pain medication, prayed and asked God to help me, and I carry on with my life. I was in pain for 17 years, non-stop. I suffered. There were days when I couldn't come out of bed. I couldn't do any activities at all. I was in pain. Coming from bed to wheelchair, to crutches, to a cane, and to be stepping baby steps all over again.
When I saw her, the hip was in already a stage 4 arthritis, which means both the ball and the cup were so much damaged that there was no free movement there. And every time it used to move, there was a friction which used to cause a lot of pain for her. Now you can see that the length is the same. The height has been maintained. So patient's overall hip movement and the length, everything improved.
I did a surgery on my birthday, January 27th. I was happy. I wanted nothing else for my birthday than just to get fixed. The team, Dr. Naranjan and his team, they work well with me. They give me a good help and I'm doing well.
1 month down the line, she came to me with almost 90% of her movement recovered compared to the other side. Very stable and walking freely. In fact, it was so difficult for anybody to make out that she had a surgery, and that too like a hip replacement surgery.
As the months goes by, I was able to walk and to let go. I was able to do things that I could never do. My spine, everything, I'll be like, I felt flexible. Like, this is it now. When I went to when I saw the doctor the last time, he was saying that you'll be able to tie your shoes lace. And for a shoes lace, that's a big deal for me. And I was able to do it. I'm like, doctor, I can do this now. So it was like small things that everybody could do on a daily basis that I couldn't do. After physio, went to Reboot. It was awesome there. I also start going to the gym and start working out. I was misfit in everything. Now I am misfit.
Shantal's progress has been fantastic. I have to hold her back because she wants to actually do more than what she is capable of doing under the conditioning level that she's at the moment. I've explained to her that it's not about how much she can lift because she has the strength to do it. It's about how well she's conditioned so that basically she's securing the joint that's been operated on, and that joint is stable so that each increment that we take, that there's not a chance of anything going wrong. Shantal's fitness looks extremely positive, and she has the positive attitude to make it happen. A lot of what we achieve when it comes to operations and so forth, and recovery from operations and how far we can go has to do with your mental positivity, and that she does not lack at all.
She's doing very good, and in fact she started living her life and started giving her new goals to achieve. and she's happy overall.
Thank you, Health City, for working on me, because you didn't just replace my hip, you changed my life. I am happy my life has changed for the better. A lot of stuff that I couldn't do, I can do it now. And I'm very happy.